Most people believe that a large savings account is the ultimate sign of financial security. But the uncomfortable truth is that holding too much cash is a slow-motion way of becoming poor. While you feel safe watching those numbers sit in a traditional bank, the inflation tax is acting like heat on an ice cube. It's melting away your purchasing power every single day that the cost of living rises faster than your interest rate. Banks thrive by taking your deposits and investing them to earn massive returns. They pay you back pennies in a cycle that effectively subsidizes their wealth with your hard work. Beyond just losing value to inflation, you are facing a massive opportunity cost. Every dollar sitting idle is a soldier that isn't fighting for your freedom in the stock market or other appreciating assets. To break this cycle, you must move from a saver mindset to an investor mindset. Follow the 6-month rule. Keep exactly half a year of expenses in a high-yield savings account for emergencies. Deploy every single dollar above that into the market. By choosing to be cash poor but asset rich, you ensure that your net worth is tied to things that grow. This ensures your wealth compass always points toward true financial independence rather than stagnant security.